Dow is down 28 points. For a second there, we thought we'd go a run for the green border there. The smart revolution is here either way as corporate America zeroes in on making everything. I mean, your phone, your car, your home smarter. How do you equate a smart future with a smart portfolio? Let's bring in today's countdown closers. Sandy Villere, portfolio manager of the Villere Balanced Fund. Let's get right to it, Sandy. What's the smart way to capitalize on sort of that trend of the smart future?
Yeah, so if you're looking at your home, we love a company called Cypress Semiconductor. So it's got Internet of Things, which makes your home smarter. So they're supplying things like the Amazon Echo and Nest and Nintendo Switch and those types of things. Their other end market is automotive, where they're trying to do the digital dashboard and all those things. So the amount of content that Cypress has, when you look at the BMW 7 Series, say 2016 to 17, is almost double. So it's a very exciting company.
How does Weight Watchers fit into the smart world portfolio?
Well, it's smart to take care of your body, right? So that's what CEO Mindy Grossman's done a great job. She's changed her name from Weight Watchers, kind of your, weight loss type of company, to a holistic weight loss, or I should say a holistic, wellness company that's about a $3.7 trillion market. So she wants to make people healthy. She wants to retain people on her program longer and longer, and she's got a lot of positive ways to do it with reward programs and things like that.
Steris is your third pick, and I do have to just quickly say that looking at a market right now, which today had been up 97 points, down 97, that's for the Dow 30. Yeah. S&P has also been kind of middling around in the lower area. Tell me what you think propels this through the end of the year as we now turn positive for the Dow, up 3 points.
There we go. Yeah, so I think Steris is one of those just very simple, we almost call it a boring company. It's 80% basically, reusable types of materials. So it's things like they've got when they're sterilizing the linens in the hospital rooms, they want to make sure they've got all the laundry, laundry detergent and things like that. So they keep it all good, and we like the company.
Yeah, you like the company. You like being in the stock market, don't you? Good to see you, Sandy.
Thanks,
Sandy Villere.